Hey y'all, we are coming into beautiful, kind of hazy downtown Vonore, Tennessee. Vonore is growing. So if you're interested in this area, here's houses starting at $400,000. That is going to be a massive housing development. So I'm going to go see if the new donut shop is open, and I'm going to show it to you. Typically, Sloan's here on the right is my breaking point, especially if I'm on the Ducati 848. I can go this far before needing fuel. If you've watched my past videos, that's where I got the bad gas. Yeah. I don't know what one has to do here to get the light to change, but I've not ever been on a motorcycle and had this light change for me. It's really kind of a pain in the butt. And you hate to run the red light because it is illegal here in Tennessee. Because of him, Vonore's main source of income is revenue from speeding tickets. I don't know what else goes on here. I'm pretty sure all the people that live here work in Knoxville. But typically there are two police officers and they just crisscross each other as they patrol this road. One goes north, one goes south. So on the right here, is Tasty King Donuts. And there's actually people parked in front of this place. And it is still coming soon. Still coming soon. So there you have it. Tasty King Donuts. I'm here to tell you, when I find out they're open, we're going to hit that place. And you and I are going to try every donut on their menu. Every single donut. If I have to come here every day and I gain 57 pounds, I'm going to try every donut. So let's go back to Sloan's. I don't want to go back to Sloan's, but we'll go back to Sloan's and we'll get a snack there. I would rather pay, you know, for a donut that's handmade, probably even made with love, than buy pretty much any snack at Sloan's. When I come into Sloan's, they're not exactly friendly. They could care less if you're here or there or whatever. The prices in Sloan's is stupid crazy. Yeah, I guess the prices everywhere are crazy, but it feels like they mark stuff up in here. But we're gonna pull into the spot, get off the bike. This is what Sloan's looks like. And this is the end of my video. And I'm sorry you didn't get to see the donut shop open, but I am going to show you that donut shop once they're in business. So thanks for watching. You don't have to hit the thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it if you did. I'd really love it if you left a comment. I'll talk to you later.